Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny e-commerce Flutter app inside. Today we need to say this here the shipping address list UI as well as the add screens UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need to see these designs inside the Figma. We need to look like this here the showing here inside the Figma, and we need to create look like this here the UI. Already we need to make like this here the similar to UI, but we need to only this add here. So we need to already make inside here the checkout page. We need to use this here and put here. Let's start how to create. First of all, we need to go inside here the back screens and to create here the new files and to give this here the name shipping address list address screen dot create here the stateful widgets and we need to give this here the name shipping address, and we need to import this here the material dependency, and we need to create here the scaffold like here's write down here the app bars. We need to copy any ones. We need to go inside here checkouts and need to copy this here the app bars like here's, and we need to paste this here's. Remove this one, repeats, imports here the extensions, import this here the color extensions like here's. Now need to change this here the name shipping address, and we need to save this here's these names, and we need to first of all to open this screen. Maybe typo here, fix this here's. Maybe typo. Fix this here the type shipping. Yes, now right. Save here, and also here fix this typo, rename. Now fix this here the typo. Now need to go inside here the checkout screens. I need to find out here the change buttons. We need to call this here the context dot pop extension push extension methods. Need to call this here and to give this here the name shipping address screens and semicolons, and look like this here. Click on here and opening like this here the shipping address screen. Now we need to make this here the list view inside here the shipping address. Need to write down here the body of this scaffold. Need to write down here the list view builders with separators, and we need to create here the separators inside the context indexed, and you need to return this here's the containers. So need to copy inside the checkouts. We need to with these buttons we need to need here's need to copy this one, and now need to paste here's semicolons. Now need to call here the separators context indexed, and we need to set here the now 5 3 is good as per UI. I need to give this here the some height space. I need to set here the 15s between here the cells. Now need to set here the padding for this UI. Yes, const edges inset symmetric horizontal 20 and vertical 15. Likes we need to here also set here 20, not bad here. Need to save here and show like this here. Now need to change intervals here and need to write down here the edit and show like this here. Now need to modify this here the address. I need to create here the another's. Copy this ones. Space this here. Now need to make here the row and comma, and we need to make here the buttons. Button equal on tab event press event like this. Set here. So now need to set here the child. Need to set here the icon dot checkout checkbox outline. Set here the color t color dot primary text. I just need to set here and show here's this UI. Now we need to set here the text. Need to give this here the some width space size box. Width space we need to give in this here. We need to set here the 15, and now need to set here the text. Copy this one text and we need to paste this here, and we need to change this here. Use as a this shipping address default. Like set here the titles. Show here, maybe we need to change here 15 to 4 is good as per UI, and we need to set it here. Now we need to convert this UI inside here the common widgets. Need to cut these containers here, and we need to make like this here the new shipping row ping row dot dots. Create here the stateless widgets. Set here the shipping row, and we need to import this here the material dependency and paste replace with these codes. Import this one extensions, and also this push buttons now known. It's need to set here the click events. Need to cut this here and apply on press event inside the final methods. Final void callback on press event and finals bool is select. Like we need to declare here the types. Later we need to add this here the more parameters, but we need to now two parameters need to needs. We need to make selection event displaying, and second one is to need this here the unselect, and we need to show this here look like this here the UI, and on press events we need to configure here. We need to write down here on press, and events we need to write down here for the tab events. Need to check events also need to here need to write down here the finals void callback on check press, and also import this here parameters like this. Now need to given this here on check press, and we need to set here the icons is selected means we need to select colors. We need to providing this here the black icon. It's dot checkbox. Need to set here and show like this here. Now we need to given this here shipping row. Like here on press event and on selecting to directly set here the statics. Need to set here the 1 0 means here the press. Like we need to conditions need to apply here and show like this here, and now this show here the check bars. Now need to add here the one buttons. We need to given this here. We need to use this here the floating buttons. We need to use here the floating buttons like here, and we need to create here the float button, floating action buttons on press event, and we need to set here the child's icon dots add set here color. Now not sets, need to show like this here and showing like this here. Make sure need to change this here the floating button themes background colors. Set here the black, given this here the property background colors black. Otherwise you need to give this here the t color primary text is good. If you change, then automatically change this years and show like this years. Now need to put at this here the add buttons. Now need to make this here the another screens we need to develop here for the add new shipping address screens. We need to create here the new files and to give this here the name add shipping address screen dot select this create here the stateful widgets and to give this here the name add shipping address, and we need to import this here the material dependency, and we need to create here the scaffold, create here the app bars. We need to copy anyone's this shipping address also need to copy this one, and we need to paste this here for this data and import this here the color extensions as well as the common extensions. Both extensions need to import here. Now we need to write down here the heading shipping address. Show like this here the titles. First of all, need to configure these floating buttons actions. We need to go here the action event and we need to write down here the on press event context dot push, and we need to write down here the shipping address, not shipping add shipping address screen semicolons, and we need to save this here. Click here and opening this here the adding shipping address screens need to show this here. Now we need to make this here the UI. First of all, need to create here the body of these screens. Need to write down here the body, and we need to set here the scroll view single child scroll view. Set here the child's, need to set here the column like here. So we need to set it here, and we need to write down here the padding. Also need to put here the common padding. Set here the edges inside symmetric. Horizontals need to set here the 20 as well as verticals also need to set here the 20. Now we need to set here the text fields. Now need to go and see any form fields. You need to find out here the login button inside the sign up buttons. We need to use this here this round text fields. Need to copy here and we need to go inside here the add shipping address screen, and we need to add this here. First of all, need to import this here the round text fields, and we need to write down here the round button. First of all, need to put inside the and round buttons. On titles, we need to set this here the save address and on press it brackets inside the issue. Now put it here, show like this here for this UI, and we need to give this here the some height space size box. Give this here the height. I need to set this here the 20 and show like this here. Maybe need here the 30. Now show like here. Now need to write down here the full name. Show like this here the titles. Enter please here the full name like this here the error message. Like this show. Then after the address enter address. Show like this here the address. Then after you need to create here the another text fields for the city. Enter city. Show like this here. Then after you need to write down here the state provisions. State provision slash reason like here, and enters state provisions slash reasons and show like this here. And last one is the zip code. Need to write down here the zip code. Brackets inside them to write down here the postal code. Enter here the zip code. Look like this here the show. And last one is the country. Need to set here the country. Please enter country. Later us need to convert into the drop box, drop downs. Now need to save here, and this UI are the completing here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down inside the comment section. So I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.